ECT-25020 Operation Demo. Insert the battery. The head can rotate 350 degrees. Pull out the latch pin. The groove on the die must match with the guide pin on the head. Install an adapter or 25-ton dies. During crimping, press the pressure release button to reset. Press the locking pin on the adapter to install the 12-ton dies. Press the start button. The tool will automatically reset when the pressure reaches the rated level. Crimping demo. Place the crimping material. Press the start button. The dies will close and automatically reset after reaching the rated pressure. Note, the crimping material must match the die.